Hello all. Today we will discuss about CompTIA training and certification. So in CompTIA there are many kind of the training like training which is related to A plus, also called hardware, training which is related to the networking, that is also called N plus, and this is one of the latest training and certification, that is security and also called security plus. But along with the CompTIA there are many training and certification like hardware, operating system, software troubleshooting, networking, hardware and networking troubleshooting, you can say mobile devices training and certification, virtualization and cloud computing, operational procedures. So there will be three mainly training and certification. First is the hardware, second is the networking, and last is the security. These three certifications are very famous for the industry in IT and in a banking sector, in a government sector, and some other sector in India and abroad too. So if you have a plan to join anywhere in India as a hardware engineer, as a software engineer, as a network support, as a security support manager, so as a fresher level, as an experienced person, you can join on behalf of this CompTIA training and certification. So will be good for your career and your future. Thank you and all the best for your career.